Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best information related on washing machine. Most of time we are receiving F6, F64, F61 types of error in your washing machine little screen. So how to fix this problem? It's very simple. No need to call anyone. You just follow my video and simply remove this error on your washing machine. After your washing machine work very smoothly. So now let's start. So now this is my washing machine, and if you see here any types of error message is coming here. So how to fix this message? It's very simple. No need to call anyone. You just consider this is a washing machine and here E6, E61 or any other error related pictures is coming. So how to fix this problem? It's very easy. Bottom of the screen, all dishwasher is available such kind of outlet. You just simply press here and open. After opening here, why the error is coming here? Because of some output water is not going to your washing machine. That's why the error is coming. So that point of view, you need to release this button here. So some of the water is definitely available here, the dirty water or some small clouds also here, the jam. That's why the error is showing you and your washing machine is not able to clean. So you just simply open here and you need to clean here this portion. If here the lot of water is coming down here, so definitely the error is coming. Here some small clouds are jammed and you showing this error, and sometimes you call the company guy and they charge you a lot of money. But if you follow this process, and definitely your error is gone using these tips and tricks. If you really like this F6 error related problem, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.